How to send audio file on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to your Chrome or Safari. You just have to search for WeTransfer right here. And you just have to click on WeTransfer website. Now that you're on, all you have to do is to tap on Send a File. So all I have to do is to click on this plus button right here, and then tap on Media, and then click on Audio. Now I can send any audio on my mobile. So like this. And then I can also add a message to this transfer right here. Then when I'm done, I just have to hit next. Now you can just get a link right here, and then click on Get a Link. So it's uploading right now. Once it's uploaded, all you have to do is to copy the link and then go to your Instagram. Now you just have to go to your DM or your messages, tap on a message, and now you can just send the link to them right here. Now if they click the link that was sent, they will be able to be redirected to open the audio file that was sent to them. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!